Go aviation.
No, all three of y'all. That'd be hilarious.
Navy versus Gravy.
Doesn't back, man.
Oh.
Let's have a tournament. He's a champion already. See?
Back up.
No. Whoever wins out of these two people gets to play him.
Hey, go tell your brother to come here. Go.
Whoever wins out of these two people gets to play
I'll
him.
fight the axe.
I want to see that.
Wait, are we going now? Oh, wait, hang on.
Okay.
No, you
I'm
two.
taking you and.
But not at the same time. You two first. You two first.
No. Hey, you better put that on record.
It is on record.
Wait, so who are we fighting first? We doing attorney style or something? Whoever comes out.
Oh, is that a camera?
Dead.
Oh, come here.
That was not hard at all. I don't even understand what people did. Knockmaster right there.
Huh?
Watch the damn knife.
Where is it? Oh, it's in the car.
You're done. You're not going to even get to see the knife coming. It's going to be in your chest.
Make the Navy proud, bro.
Ready?
Make it clean.
Go.
Roll it.
Alright, round two. Ready? Set. Go.
I wanna go against the Navy guy.
Are we doing points this last one? 1, 2,
I need to throw it out.
3.
That's sad because he has a longer knife.
Oh, dead. So dead.
So quickly.
Come on. Come on.
You better hit him because if you miss, man.
Oh, God. Caleb, you I did not think he was going to come back after me. I was like, wait a second. Oh, fast and small. Oh,
Just reach out and...
I'm going to get hurt.
I want to go against this guy. I feel like I want to...
I'm scared. I want to go up against Tim.
I got stabbed in the heart, too. That was a good shot.
I want to get...
I don't know.
Right in the front, too. You couldn't make it any higher.
Hey, John,
You can try? Sure, anybody. This is open.
that is not fair.
Oh, use your machete. You want
It's too late. Little man fight.
I'd try it, but I get spanked. I don't even want to do it.
Illegal
Oh,
in 3
sorry.
countries.
Why is he holding it like
You know, if we throw a water bottle between them, it's just like what we used to do to the kids in Afghanistan.
Why are you holding it like that?
Oh, that's dark, man.
You're not going to hit anybody like that.
Hey, catcher.
I guess we both
You gotta
tried.
get his chest, man.
That's true, dog.
White.
Just toss it.
Toss it, watch him fight.
Oh, please don't hold it like that.
No, that's not fair. You can't fight yet.
Oh, no. Is he holding it like... Is it possible to do a face palm through the face? Because I don't know.
Oh, got him.
Oh, yes. Especially if he holds the axe like that. Like...
I want to see Adam go against...
Got him again.
I already know that he's fast.
That one's long. Oh, sorry. That one's long.
I thought I had gotten it.
Hey.
I didn't
No,
know.
you and someone. You and
Got
Zach.
him out. Don't let him intimidate.
Oh, this should be fine.
Dude, he's in the military. You're not.
I'm so scared for what's about to happen.
Oh, he's in his attacking. You better move. You better move.
All he's going to have to do is just move your hand and then just like that.
Okay, if I get an axe kill on you, do I get to throw an extra axe?
You need to go up against Daniel.
Wait. Let me see.
Maybe we can't have
Let's make this more interesting. Let's use real ones. Right?
Y'all two have to go up against each other. Right?
Jeremy, let's go.
It's probably a night to a gunfight.
All right, let's go. Whip. You have a whip.
All right.
Wait, here.
Here you go, Daniel.
Jeremy.
Some guy who runs at
Give
somebody
somebody
with a sword
two
and
knives.
like,
Oh, got him.
Hey, I want to fight him. You.
He's got that
If I
arm.
beat
What's
you,
it-
if I beat you in a knife fight,
You and me versus him. 2 people versus him.
it doesn't feel good to
Hey, guys, just I'm not sure if anybody made anybody aware, but Daniel's not only in the Navy, but he works security, and he's a black belt.
Triple black.
trying to get you.
No throwing knives.
So when you went I was like,
1, 2.
Oh my boy!
It should be careful. You should do their face to get him.
Throw it. That's not possible. Throw it.
Got it. All right, guys.
Wait,